Hey, Slade here, and I'm in Owasco, New York with my friend Kaeleigh Sciria at her home, and we are making...
breakfast pizza.
Oh,
it's so delicious. I can't wait to try it.
What do you think? You ready to make some pizza?
Yeah, I'm hungry. Tomatoes, finely chopped. Peppers, diced. Potatoes, home fries. Eggs, scrambled. Cheese.
And it don't even matter who shredded it. What do we have here?
$1 million bacon. Chopped.
Yeah!
Salt, pepper, garlic powder, and olive oil.
Time to take this dough out. You might chop vegetables for show, but you need for dough. A little olive oil. Woo-hoo. Finely chopped tomatoes. A little pinch of salt. Veggies.
Eggs. Potatoes.
And let's dump some cheese on this sucker. Bacon time! Save one for the chef's assistant. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Oh my god!
It looks delicious.
Hey, you guys want some breakfast pizza? Oh my
Voila. That's so good.
It's amazing. But I think one of the best points about this pizza is the $1 million bacon. It adds this sweet, sweet crunchiness to the savory part of the bacon, and it just goes so well with the particular cheeses that we have and the underlayer of the crushed tomatoes.
Yes.
Everything works so well together with this, so we hope you make it.
I can't resist.
So again, Kaeleigh, thank you so much for having me to your home.
Absolutely.
This is amazing. You know, I was a friend of your dad's before you were born, and now here you are, and we get to cook together.
Yeah.
This is so much fun.
Absolutely. Pureed. Pureed! What was the voice crack?
What happened there? Okay, ready? One more time.
Parade.
Parade! Parade! We're on parade here. I don't know. I don't know. Okay.